If you're looking to organize a webinar seamlessly, Teamwork.com is a great solution that streamlines the entire process, from planning to execution. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to organize a webinar in Teamwork.com. Stick around until the end for a special bonus, and make sure to check the first link below to get an exclusive offer for Teamwork. Teamwork.com is an all-in-one project management tool that helps teams collaborate and manage tasks effectively. It's perfect for hosting a webinar, whether you're working alone or with a team. First, let's look at how you can create a new project for your webinar. To get started, log into Teamwork.com and navigate to the Projects tab. Here, you'll create a new project specifically for your webinar. Name the project something like Webinar Planning or whatever suits your event. This will serve as the hub for everything related to your webinar. You can also set the project's privacy settings based on your team's requirements. Once your project is set up, you'll want to organize your tasks. Under the Tasks tab, you can create different sections based on the stages of your webinar, for example, pre-webinar tasks, during the webinar, and post-webinar follow-ups. Each task can be assigned to a team member, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Teamwork's powerful task management system allows you to break down every component of your webinar into smaller, actionable items. You can even set due dates, so you stay on track as you approach your event date. Another feature that's a game changer is the ability to create milestones in Teamwork. These are like checkpoints for major stages of your webinar. For example, one milestone could be when all promotional materials are ready, and another could be when the registration page is live. This ensures you have a clear view of progress and deadlines, but the planning doesn't stop at tasks. Teamwork offers a built-in calendar so you can schedule and coordinate everything in one place. Sync your calendar with your webinar dates and track key deadlines, like when the webinar content should be finalized, when emails should go out, and when to remind attendees to join. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Since webinars often involve multiple people working together, Teamwork.com allows for seamless communication. Use the project's Messages tab to communicate with your team and keep all webinar-related conversations in one place. This makes it easier to track decisions and updates. Once everything is organized, it's time to track the progress. With Teamwork's reporting features, you can generate reports on the tasks that have been completed and those still pending. This visibility helps you ensure everything is on track. Another key feature you'll find useful is Teamwork's file sharing. You can upload and store any documents, images, or presentations related to your webinar. Everything is accessible in one central place, so you won't waste time hunting down files. As we wrap up, don't forget that Teamwork.com offers a highly flexible approach to organizing your webinar, making it easy to collaborate, track progress, and stay on top of deadlines. And the best part, you can use Teamwork completely for free by signing up through the link below. In addition to that, you'll get an exclusive extended trial to unlock premium features that will make your webinar organization even more efficient. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful tool to manage your webinars, Teamwork.com has got you covered. Make sure to grab that free trial through the link below and start organizing your webinar the right way today. Thanks for watching.